Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove the noise from the audio of the video only with the CapCut application. Today I already have this video. You can hear that the noise is not pretty clear, and I want to make it clear by this way. You just need to tap the video here. So now you just need to take a look on this bottom option, drag it into the left side. You can just do the enhanced voice, and then you just need to go click this checklist button, and now you just need to slide it into the left side again until you got the option which is the reduce noise right here, like right before this features is lost. And then we just need to go click this part, go turn it on, and wait until the reducing noise is finished, and go click this checklist button. So now your voice will get clearer compared to the previous versions. So that is the way how you can reduce the noise of the audio from video with the CapCut. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.